It's like scary to think about that there could be like some point where like machines outsmart humans.
I sort of think of like an iRobot type of thing, like that movie where it sort of becomes too smart where we can't handle it or sort of rein it back.
Artificial intelligence could theoretically take over the internet or, mess with some companies.
Countries could make these robot soldiers to kill everybody.
No matter how much we would try to control it, because humans try to control everything, they'd figure out how to fight back. And then it's a whole breed of beings that we have no idea how to control.
When they invented the wheel, if they're not careful, that wheel's going to get loose and run down and roll over a bunch of people. You got to be careful with the wheel. When you invent the wheel, you got to be careful. You can't just set it anywhere. It could be dangerous,
So I'm not one who sees a lot of dangers. I'm not worried about the Terminator-like danger.
I don't think our machines will have its own mind. I don't think our machines can rule the earth.
Just because we make computers smarter doesn't mean they're going to become evil or want to do us harm. So I think that it really has the potential, though, to help us.
I think it can make the world work faster, work more efficiently, work better. Computers are a lot of times make smarter and better decisions than humans could.
We're already seeing it in the financial industry. I think you're going to see it throughout, so in sports, when people are trying to make decisions about what play to call.
It's definitely a benefit in a creative space or in a health space.
It also will lead to robots, where we'll have robots in the home, and we already have robots in industry.
I think if it's done right, it can be incredibly helpful.
It will change society. It will change employment. It will change how we interact with each other.
I'm afraid of me being valueless. I don't want to see a robot can do what I can do.
If you have AI that can do what 10 people can do, there's 10 less jobs.
Currently, there's 4 million jobs for driving in the United States. And when we get driverless cars, that's going to change. And we hope that there's going to be new opportunities that arise from the new technology that comes here, but we never know.
I mean, you have like these financial hackings of certain companies in the recent news. If artificial intelligence with all this data could be easily hacked like that, because there are, I guess, mastermind hackers out there, and if it could be used adversely, that would be a danger.
Especially in this space, transparency is key, and I want to be educated, right? And a lot of that's on the individual, go online, read a book, whatever, but making this, readily available and being, open to being in the public, I think is going to be huge, because it's going to, only activate more support. And then even if there's criticism, it's going to help, ask the hard questions.
We do have to make sure that we have control and that we are careful in how we do things, but I think there's a real upside. It's going to be another revolution, and it might not happen, overnight, but it's going to happen over the next 10 to 20 years.